Hello, everyone. It's Jessica, and I'm so excited to share something new with you today. Have you ever come across a reel on Instagram and thought, I'd love to add my own reaction or comment to this? Well, now you can. Instagram's latest feature lets you share notes on reels, giving you a fun and creative way to join the conversation. Let me show you how it works. First, open up Instagram and find a reel that grabs your attention. Got one? Perfect. Tap the share button. It's the little paper airplane icon. In the pop-up menu, you'll see a new option in the bottom left corner labeled Add Note. This is where the fun begins. Tap on it, and a text box will appear where you can type your message. Instagram lets you choose who gets to see your note. You can share it with followers who follow you back, or keep it just for your close friends. Once you've written your note, tap Done, and voila! Your note appears alongside the reel. If you ever want to delete your note, simply tap on it and a menu will pop up at the bottom. Hit Delete Note and it'll disappear in an instant. And there you have it. You're now ready to add your personal touch to Instagram Reels. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for spending time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.